Welcome to my channel Front End Made Easy. So in this video we are going to see what is the difference between inline and block elements. Before going into that, just we can get given heads up for HTML, that is it is a combination of several elements, and these various elements form the building blocks of a web page. So if we are going to see a web page in a web browser, it just for a end user it is just a content, but for a developer it is a several elements which has been decorated or designed for the better readability for a particular user. So in order to make our styling and designing easier, we have two main types of elements in HTML itself, that is inline element and block element. Based on the design and based on our decorations or based on our mock-up, we have to arrange our elements in a good order or presentable order, so that it will catch our end user. So because of which we have two types of elements in HTML, which is inline level element and block level element. So let's see what is inline element and block. So inline element, mainly we can say a span tag is an inline element. So inline elements does not have line break. So as the word suggests, so it is inline to a particular line. So whenever this span tag is given inside a div tag, it will not occupy a new space. It does not have any line break. It will be aligning along with the line of the div. Wherever it is, it will be aligned with the space after the element where it ends. Also, this element does not consume the whole width. It consumes only the space within the opening and closing tag, and it will not start with a new line. So these elements does not start from a new line. It will be aligning along with the end of the previous element, and it will be as it is. So it does not have a separate line break. It does not consume the whole width, and it does not start from a new line. So these are all the examples of inline element, that is span tag, anchor tag, image tag. So these are all aligned along with the inline to the previous elements. So next comes block element. It is completely opposite to the inline element. Mainly div is a block element. Block element have a line break. So whenever we give the div, whenever the text is given inside the div tag, so after the div tag ends, it comes with a automatic line break. So the next element will be started from the new line. These elements consumes whole width and starts from a new line. It will occupy from the new line, and it also ends with gives a line break. So these are all the examples of block elements, that is div, UL and header tags. These are all some of the examples of block level elements. So as this picture denotes, so these inline element will be, for example, the first box is span. Consider this as a span, and the next span yellow, that will be without any new line. It will be arranged as it is. So this is the inline element, the arrangement of this inline element. So consider the block level element. So as this picture denotes, it will be occupying with the new line. It is started from the new line, and it occupies the full width, and it has a line break also. So this is a easy portrayal of this inline and block level element. So this is for the inline and block level element. Let's see more concepts into the front end techniques in our upcoming videos. If you want any concepts, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification icon for the further notification. Thank you.